How to add 3D spatial effect wallpaper on iPhone lock screen running iOS 26. So first let's go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, simply lock your phone and go to the lock screen. Now on the lock screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Customize. Over here on the left hand side, tap on the picture and then choose photo. And in here, we scroll down and select a picture from your photo library. So typically you want to select an image that has a good center point. So clear center point and a good quality background image. So here you can zoom in or zoom out to size your image within the frame. And then after that, there is a button here. This button right here allows you to add 3D spatial effect. So tap on it and you should see it's a generating spatial effect. So when you turn it on, you can see at the top here the settings icon on the wallpaper. When I move my phone back and forth, you can see it will move, giving you that 3D spatial effect. Even on the plant right here behind the clock, you can see if I move my phone, the plant moves back and forth. But visually, the easiest way to see is if you look at this settings icon right here. When I move, that settings icon moves back and forth, up and down. And that is how you can add the 3D spatial effect. If you tap on this more button, you can also tap on depth effects. Now depending on your background pictures, sometimes you can add it, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, depend on the background picture. And after that, tap on the done button to save the changes. And then here, tap anywhere on the screen. And now you can move around to turn on spatial effect. So this one here hasn't changed it yet, so make sure we go back in and tap on Customize. Make sure it is turned on and tap on Done. So depth effect, and then tap on Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.